If you need to edit a PDF file in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to open a PDF, let Word convert it into an editable document, make your changes, and then save it properly. This is a super useful trick when you need to fix text, update a form, or reuse content from a PDF without starting from scratch. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this from your Start menu, taskbar, or desktop shortcut, just like you normally would. Once Word opens, you'll want to go to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, click Open. This is where you can browse for the PDF file you want to edit. Now find the PDF on your computer. It might be in your Downloads folder, Documents folder, or wherever you saved it. Select the file, then click Open. As soon as you do that, Microsoft Word will show you a message telling you that it's going to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. This is completely normal. Word is basically taking the layout and turning it into something you can type in and modify. When that conversion message appears, click OK to continue. After a few moments, Word will open the file and display it as an editable document. Depending on how complex the PDF is, the formatting may not be exactly identical to the original file, but for most simple documents, it works really well. Now you can start editing the content directly. Click anywhere in the text and make your changes just like you would in a regular Word document. You can delete words, add new paragraphs, change headings, adjust formatting, and update the information you need. If your PDF contains tables, images, or forms, you may need to reposition some elements after conversion, but the key advantage is that you now have full access to the text. If the document has spacing issues after conversion, take a moment to clean that up. You can adjust line spacing, resize text, or move images if needed. This is especially helpful if you're editing a business document, resume, letter, or report. The more simple the original PDF is, the smoother the editing process usually goes. Once you've finished editing, the last step is to save your work. Go to File, then click Save As if you want to create a new version, or Save if you're updating the current file format. If you want to keep it editable in Word, save it as a Word document. If you want to turn it back into a PDF, choose PDF from the file type options before saving. That way, you can preserve your changes in the format you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit a PDF file in Microsoft Word by opening it, allowing Word to convert it, making your changes, and saving the final version. It's a fast and easy way to work with PDF content when you don't want to use third-party software. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.